Good afternoon, and today is October 18, 2023, and it's a Wednesday, a midweek. So we have 2 more training days of this week. We will wrap up this week, October, which is the 3rd week of October, and a week of 42. And we have 10 more weeks. We finish, this trading year 2023 right there. All right, before we go to any detail, I want to go through real quick what is our trading objective, right, for this year, for so far what we are doing. Because I'm thinking that we are start the trading journey. At least we have to define the objective, or at least our destination for the short term, where we head into. Because we start a journey, let's say we travel somewhere, we at least to know where we head into, and the direction and the destination will help us to stay focused, so we can invest our time and our energy, so we can measure if we are meet our target or our objective or not. So that's the key idea right there. We cannot just wander, because when we wander without any objective or any targets, then we are don't know how to focus our energy and our attention on. So basically, from now to December, at the end of this year, so it's 2 moments from now, we focus our objective on 2 items, right? The first is about mental game, and the second is a trading system, right? So basically, the reason why we put the mental game first is because it's very critical. We don't see it now, but later on you will realize that the mental game is everything. Because look what we develop a system, right? We can get a system from anywhere, anybody, even though it's a positive system, right? A system that generates profits, but if it does not fit our belief, it will not it will not result in a positive outcome for us. It's the reason why our belief is everything. Someone said that we don't trade the markets, but we trade what we believe. So we have to work on our belief. Or another way is say we need to master ourselves, right? Before we master the markets, we have to master ourselves. That is the 90% of the winning winning edge right there for us. So that's 90. In other words, trading psychology. We need to work on our psychology. That's 90% right there. So we just want to keep it simple. So we may spend like, I don't know, an hour or 2 hours on this task, on the objective, and we spend 3 hours at least, for this objective right here. So trading system, right? We are in the process of develop, our own trading system. We don't have to start from scratch, right? We can borrow from other people. In this case, we can, learn from other people on this setup. So far, we have used this setup, right? Total soup. And then we use the ICT concept, which is fair value gap. Let's say breaker, fair value gap, retest. It can be long or short, right? But this is a trend follower, right? Top trade, right? And then another one is order block, fair value gap, retest. Basically, they're gonna be a trend, opposite to the trend. So you can say trend. Let's go with trend fader for now, right? That may be the new vocabulary we come up with, but it's okay as long as it makes sense to us, right? That's the beauty of that. That you don't have to trade anybody's system, or you trade your own system. You set your own rule. That's the freedom you have when you do trading. As long as it makes sense to you, as long as it fits your belief, and you have a positive expectancy, then there you go. You have it. You don't have to worry about whether it makes sense to other people or not. As long as it makes sense. So we can call this trend fader, which is reversal trade right there. Reversal or retracement trade, just right there. So far, we do YouTube video, all kind of that. Just try to, what we try to do is try to achieve this objective right here. We try to develop a trading system, right? First, we just do a very simple trade, right? On Thursday, just one trade, or Friday. They got it, win or lose. Win or lose is not our priority, not our objective right now on this short term right here. Maybe later on next year, we're gonna revise this objective. We have a different objective. Maybe objective gonna be working on improve win rate, whatever. But right now, it doesn't matter to us. What matters to us right now is that we follow a simple rule. The reason why we oppose a very simple rule is that so we control our emotion, our fear of missing out. At the beginning, the FOMO is rampant. The FOMO is everywhere. Every day we open the charts, we feel FOMO. So we just want to take one trade a week, just to try to control ourselves right there. Yeah, and then we try to identify this, trade setup for now. We twin 5-minute after equal form. This is the key right here. We don't need to do any fancy at all. Just identify this setup with the delayed 1 to 5 minutes. Basically, after it form, we can identify them within 1 or 5 minutes. Then we achieve our objective right there, right? But if we identify faster than that, then that will be bonus. Awesome. From now into this, physical year at the end of the year. And this morning we identified less than 5 minutes when we form right there. So we're on our way to achieve our objective right there. And we can give a time frame of 1 minute, 50 minutes, or 5 minutes, right? Or 1 hour or 4 hours right there. So yes, this is our objective. We try to keep this thing simple. We just started, so we want to keep simple, and then we can redefine, do modification or solidification to make it more detailed. But just from now until the end of this year, the two objectives. This one will be very intensive right here. But anyway, we will try to share when appropriate or when necessary. But this is what we focus right now also. All right, we already spent 8 minutes on this already. But I just want to make sure we are on the same page, right? We start a journey, unless we have to have a temporary destination, right? Our final destination is, going to be a successful day trade or so-called consistent profit day trade or something like that, right? That's our final destination. But in order to go from there, from what we are now, we have some kind of intermediate target, right? You cannot, let's say that target take us 5 years, right? Then what are our short term? We have to break down the big goal into small goals, small time, right? At least like a bite size, bite size, so we can swallow, we can take it, in a short term. So that's an idea right there. From a long-term goal, we break it out to short-term goals, so we accomplish the short-term goal, and we go from there, so we can make it more manageable instead of we feel overwhelming, right? That's the whole idea right there. All right, we spent almost 10 minutes. Anyway, go back to the charts, right? So today is close at 430.25 right there. So, and you see that the low is close below the new week opening low for this week right there. And it's open at 434. 19, 434.19, yeah, right? Yeah, we got it. 434.19 already. It's open at 434.19, and it's closed at 430. Yeah, 430.25. So let me see. Wow. It's almost $4 right there. It's $3, actually $3.06. That's right, $3.06. 434. Yeah, so $3.06. No, it is 6 cents. So let me see. So 419 minus this one, so 6, 11, 8. So $3.86. That's what I mean. So it's dropped from $3.86 right there. Right, but double check real quick. $3.86. So basically we use 4, 3, 4.19 minus 330.25. So will be $3.86 or 94. Oh yeah, 94. Sorry, 94. $3. So 4. Oh, okay, that's right. $3.94. That's a huge move for today right there. So this morning when it start open, well, all right, we see it's the downtrend, right? We're looking for here, it's the market structure shift right here, right? It break right there and it go down, it sweep, you know, this sell side already. And look at that, it's gonna make a market structure shift right here. It sweep this sell side one more time, and it's gonna reverse right here. See, sweep one more time, it create a very beautiful order block right here, and this is our entry level right there. So you see the entry level right there. We put a buy stop right here, and we can write on this right to get out here, get out, and then so if we in right here, we will out of here, right out of here, because our target is the buy side right here, because we saw that it sweep the sell side, then the next target gonna sweep the buy side. As soon as buy side we out, and then we have a short setup right here for the total shop right there. Right here, I have a turtle soup. When the price up here, we put a sell stop right here, and then you see that it execute our trade right there. The sell stop order, and we never look back up this level, and you see, wow, it's all the way down here. So from 434.76, oh, 44.76. Wow, it retests that. Let's see. 434.76. No, 434.76 right there. So if we go in and we stay with the trade, wow, from that level, 434.76 to 429.09. So we have $5.69 move right there. Look at that. Oh man, what a beautiful trade. And how much we reach? That's a giant move, my friend. You reach only 50 cents. Come on. We reach 50 cents. Oh. How? Yeah. We're wonderful. We are in that trade. Look at that. What a setup. A low risk right there. You see that? Man. Let rate it down right there. Put on the left, one put in the right. So you can see the value. The setup we're talking about right there. Let's move this a little bit closer here so you can see better the risk reward ratio. We learned a lot of beautiful and wonderful lesson today. Let's see what note we see in our trade before we go out. We go down to that. Let me close the trade objective, right? So basically here we see a setup around what time? A long setup. Okay, so at first we see we can use a turtle soup right there, right? And we reach 25 cents. Then what our target? Let's see. Excuse me. So the target is the buy side liquidity at 434.76. 434.76. Oh, so right there. Right there, 434.76 right there. You see that? That's a quick trade right there. And we have a risk reward ratio 25 cents, and we got 82 right here. So basically we put right here and with the risk reward ratio right there, and we got 82 cents. That's the first trade right there. And the second trade, second setup we saw, let's see. Okay, so we use the open at 9, right? At a setup to go long at 9:44, and let's see if that play out. 9:44. Okay, and also we see this is an auto block, right? Fellow gap and retest. Okay. It is so 944. 944. Okay. 944. 944. Wow, so this at that moment it a green up close, and then it now is down close. You see that? Let's see. Let's see what we have right here. Right here, you see that? 44, right? 944. So at that moment, you see that candle at 944. Wow. At that moment, it's up close right there, but it's to now down close. You see that? So we learn our lesson right there. Yeah. So we need to put a note right here. Early entry. That's the lesson learned. Early entry. Wait for another self-celebrity sweep before engagement in case. Yeah, that's the lesson we learned. Okay, I see it, because because if we go along right here at the 44 and we put our stop loss below this one, you see right there, we got sweep out right there, and this is the beautiful swing low right here. It gives you swing low, then that means it trap the sell side liquidity, so don't go in, let it sweep that one more time and we can go in. And that's exactly happened right there. Okay, then we have another one right here, right? What it calls. So we know that right here is 4 breakout and 2 real breakout. Let's see what we're thinking at that moment. Oh, okay. So we thought that it's gonna be 4 breakout, but now it turned into a real breakout at that moment, right? At 10. Is it at 10? At 10 o'clock right there. So the candle at 10 right here. Wow. 10. So that's the reason why we should have a very good mental game. Otherwise, we saw it open right there and close right there. We thought we should not have a fear mindset right here. And then when it closed right here, we thought gonna be a 4 breakout, but it's not. I mean, real breakout. Yeah, we thought that it's gonna be a real breakout. So this one is no. It is still a 4 breakout. Yeah. Do not guess. Yeah, in the real time we got scared. We thought that it's gonna be the 4, because it's the 4 breakout, so it look like real. Yeah, we thought it's gonna be real. That's the reason when we annotate, oh, it's gonna be a real breakout, but it's not. It's still. And you see that it order, we forgot to monitor its equal right there. Yeah, we do. Then from there we start seeing things now right there. We start seeing the equal right there. Also the equal. Let's see what we put in here. So this one is 1, 2, 1 to 3 for now. It can be 1 to 4, but let's go 1 to 3. So what is this one? Okay, so basically equal high, and it's a clear. Then we go along in here. right? Yeah, we go long at this. No, actually we're not going to go long, but we put a buy order in here, okay? Buy stop in here. Then it will hit, and then it will carry out up. The stop loss is behind here for 33.20. So that's an idea right there. So basically right here we put right there. I think we did put that in our note, which is the same right here. The order block fetch up, the long setup right there. We all incorporate all in here. Right, order block. It's also order block, right? So we have everything in here. We had ACT and total sub in here. Yep, I think this screenshot will give us more idea. The both setup right here. You have a total sub entry right here, which is a 4 breakout, right? It break out here. Everyone thought it's gonna break out and go in and short, but actually it turned out a false breakout, and it created a beautiful order block and fair gap right here, which is fit in with ICT concept. And this is a very valid high quality order block because it's break through the total sub entry level. It create a false break right there. False break right there. We either entry at this level of total sub and get out of here, and then wait for the retest to go long again. That's in and out market very efficiency right there. And we have another note right here that we didn't see at that moment, right? But if we look carefully, this is on 5-minute time frame, we can see that this is the market structure shift, right? It break out the swing high right here. It's on the, on the down move. When you see that, market structure shift, but don't go in, go long right away. Wait for at least, one time shell seller really sweep right here. In this time, it sweep twice. It sweep one time here, and one more time right here. Very long wick candle. Then we can go and engage along right there. And our target gonna be this gap right here, and it did hit the gap right there. And what the ratio reach to wall 1-4 long trade right there. And then we see a beautiful short setup. I think this one is humongous. At that, let's see. I think it's more than $1.86. Yeah, that's the setup we're talking about. But we only target at this level, right? But if at the end we let it run, we'll make a very huge, handsome profit right there. Let's see. So right here we have short setup right there. Let it run, right? When it run here, we got our profits. But if we let it run, it continues to give up more profit. You see this the first target right here, just at this level, right? If we let it run all the way down here, we get almost $5.69 right there. But it stop right here, we get $1.80 something, but if we let it run all the way here. Yeah, let's denote this. So when it hit here, what time? 15:48. So basically, we have a very low risk reward ratio right there. So target, let's say 429. No, don't do 429. Do at the new week opening opening gap low right there is more reasonable, right? Oh, what else? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Let's look at a 1 hour time frame. That will make more sense to define the target right there on a high time frame. Where ours 1 hour time frame? We don't have it right now. Let's open a new workspace. So here's our workspace on 1 hour time frame. Let's remove some of the indicator. So look at that. We have our target is more than that. It's the sales liquidity of this guy right there. Man, it's go all the way to here. Can you believe that? Ooh. 29.88. $88, right? $2 below that, and let's give some label right here. So it's basically a sales liquidity on 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So now we go back here. We see right there. Beautiful. So let's see, we only target at this level. Don't be greedy. Just exactly level we can get out. You will never get a perfect axis. So just pick the target on a high time frame and stick into that. Do not get greedy. And you look at the exit time, it's perfect. 13:45. It's close for 30:25. All right, I think we run out of time, about 2 minutes. Let me wrap up right here, and then we can head our way out here. Get out here. So the targets. So sell liquidity high time frame at 4:29.88. Hit at 13:45. Look at that. And the risk reward ratio, you reach only 52 cents. And how much we gain? $4.90. Wow, that's huge. So basically it's a 1 to 10. Let's go 1 to 9. 10 is will be more than that. Yep. Man, look at that. Ooh. Yeah. If we stay long enough, even 1 to 9 reachable ratio right there. So that's the beautiful short setup. That's one of the more beautiful setup we see. So for last trading day, we see a lot of beautiful trade with a very high risk to reward ratio. We did a lot of practice, and that will help us in the future right there. All right, we gotta go now, and thank you for your time. I talk to you later, or talk to you tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening. Bye for now.